Saying Hello and Goodbye, a book for learning Spanish words by Jessica Diaz. Copyright 2019 by Jessica Diaz. All rights reserved. Hola, I'm Emma and I'm learning Spanish. My grandmother has been teaching me how to greet people and say goodbye. I love practicing my new Spanish words. Come and see. In the mornings after I wake up, I say hola to my mom and buenos dias to my dad. My grandmother takes care of me while my parents are at work. When she comes over, she always asks me, ¿Cómo estás? If I'm feeling good, I say bien. If I'm not feeling so good, I say mal. Some days we stay home and do activities like coloring or cooking. Other days my grandmother will take me to the park. If I meet someone new, I say mucho gusto. When we leave the park, I always make sure to say adios to my friends. At the end of the day, when my grandmother leaves, I always tell her adios too. And she tells me hasta luego. I love learning Spanish, don't you?